Good morning! Today is part 6 of the gaming exercise bike project. After having wired the Arduino board, I always get these printed, which should be caused by an error in the code or a faulty potentiometer. At least all of the other buttons are working. Since I now need to burn the bootloader onto the Arduino Leonardo, I have instead used a spare Arduino Pro Mini. It was created by SparkFun and requires some new drivers to be downloaded in order to be able to upload some new code onto it. Now that everything is wired in place, the motor part of the bike is finally working great. However, my DC pedals are not fixed onto the bike and therefore I melt some holes with an old soldering iron in order to drive in some screws. I had to make shims out of duct tape in order for the pedals to have a very snug fit with the axle. Once my rubber band pulley is attached, I get very good results at the pedals and the brakes. Moreover, I still had issues with the potentiometer, and so I have tried replacing it with another scavenged one. I have tested its values by a quick Arduino sketch. I can now remove the old potentiometer system, and I had to make a new attachment for the new potentiometer. Then, I can gather my drills in order to make a hole where the knob of the potentiometer will fit in snugly. Once this was done, I have put everything back into place and resoldered the wires. Once the wiring is complete, I can finally upload my sketch. And that is it! This 6-part project is finally complete. It is now working great and the review video should be coming next week. Just to make your life easier, here is a diagram of the final wiring of the Arduino board. And the code can be found in a comment below. For the measurements of the bike itself, I suggest matching the ones from a real bike that is your size. Thank you for watching and I will see you in our next project.